Like the drip, drip, dripping of rain, the autumn leaves come and flow. They stir at the heart and they pull you left and right. You feel the darkness coming up from inside of you, screaming, "Let me free, let me free." But yet, the pain keeps coming, wave after wave after wave. You see the moon and its beauty shining above, coming to sit down on the ocean. Just nice gentle waves. Just continual stirring, stirring, knocking on the door, saying, "Come." You want to go check out what's there, but yet you still feel the pain. The pain from inside. It's pulling you deeper and deeper still. Who's at the door, you ask? Who is at the door? What hour is this? You just keep seeking, seeking, seeking the answers from within while the door is still knocked upon. Who is there, you wonder? But yet, the pain from inside is so deep. So many scars. What if they see me without the mask? Will they still accept me? Will they reject me? Who is at the door? The door. Where are they coming from? Where is his pain? Do I go? Do I go seek who is there? Or do I hide? Continue to hide behind these scars? Say, no, this is perfect, and this is the shape. But yet, we don't know who is at the door. Where are we going? Are we staying here in our self-pity? Or are we going to investigate? Investigate the door. Where are we going? Will we go answer it? Will we allow will we allow the door to be opened? Because now is the hour of salvation. Or will we continue to hide behind these scars? The choice is yours. But you must choose quickly, for the flower will crumble in the wind, and the fire will burn. So the choice is yours. Do you open the door